when I was first asked to do this session, a good friend of mine, I was interviewing her about, online meetings and how was it going in the time of COVID. And she said, Suzi, people who are uncomfortable with silence are running our lives through these meetings, and it is killing us. And it just made me think, like, okay, we're in a whole new world here, and we're using these online meetings. It's like learning a new language, and it's almost like going, junior abroad. You're in a whole new culture, and you really you need to relearn or how to do things. And the only way you get really, good at relearning is just by playing at things, I think. So in our session, we are going to actually play on the call itself. So, and what does it feel like to kind of move during an online meeting, and what does it feel like to draw, and what does it feel like to really connect with somebody, and once we've done these exercises, then where we've experienced maybe what is it like to feel more human, and we're going to deconstruct it, debrief it, and then I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to design your own meeting, something that's coming up.
Well, I've seen part of it before, if not all of it, because this is the second time you're running the session. And I was blown away, and I cannot wait for all of you to be blown away as well. So hopefully we will see you there.